Hello guys, Igor here to analyze Gumlet. That I think it's one of the best video hosting and image hosting in the market right now. The tool has two sides. I'm gonna analyze first the video aspect of the tool. As you can see here on the left, you have the video options. So you can host your video on Gumlet, for instance, embed it online course or on your landing page, etc. And also you have the image aspect of the tool where you can use on WordPress to host your image, so your site will work faster. As I said, in that video, we are going to see the aspects of the video of Gumlet, and you're going to see how it works pretty well and how it's simple to host a video using Gumlet. The first thing that you need to do is to upload a video. You may add a collection first, yes or no. I have a collection here. If you want to create a collection of videos, so you're going to divide your videos by folder. You just click here on add collections, give your collections a name, your origin type. If it's a web proxy, direct upload, Amazon S3 bucket, you can use those kind of storage to your video to Gumlet. A base URL where your videos are going to be served, for instance, your online course, and also your profile. If you can create a profile to give different functionalities to your video, and also your property ID. For the sake of that review, you're going to use the collection that I have already created to upload a video on Gumlet. It's pretty easy. Just click here on upload video. You can process it with specific parameters. As you can see, you can use Gumlet in a professional way. It will let you tackle all the aspects of your video, or simple upload the profile, the standard profile that they have. You can use Dropbox, Google Drive, or your own device. Or you can, for the sake of that review, I'm going to use a YouTube to upload a video directly to Gumlet. You can just go here and add the title of your video. You can also add text, and then it's done. Pretty simple. You can see that my video is queued, and Gumlet will start to upload the video. If you do decide to upload the video from your device, drag and drop the video to the screen. Also divide your video by tab. You can see that Gumlet uploaded it super fast, and it's done. Just click on done, and Gumlet will now process your video, and you will be ready to embed it on your website, landing page, or online course. Here you can see your video details. You can add a thumbnail to it. Just click on change thumbnail. You can select it from video or upload from your computer. Again, just drag and drop, and it's done. You have a thumbnail to your video. You can see the resolution here that you can use on a video. You have a link to share it directly. If you use the link, your video will show like that. Right? You see it's super fast, You can see your total storage bytes and more details about your video here. A lot of details about the audio, the thumbnail. You can add subtitles, divide your video by chapters, create a password to your videos, and also a call to action. About the players section, you can change all those features here. For instance, if you want to show your player branding, yes or no, I don't want to show here, so I'm gonna remove it. You can add your Facebook ID, Google Analytics ID, your VAS tag URL. You can add the dynamic watermark, as you saw there. People will not be able to pirate your video. You can allow DRM protected videos, yes or no, so the video has the DRM, your video will be more protected. Player seek bar and player controls, you can add yes or no. You can add to loop video, yes or no. Just save your chance. It will save automatically to your videos. To create a folder to add your video is super simple. Just go here and create a folder, move the video to the folder, have that video on that folder. Your profile, it's your options to video upload. So if you're going to import in 2K or 4K, if you will generate MP4 version, yes or no, the video codecs, crop options, overlay and padding options, and about subtitle features as well. So you create profile, so you don't need to select that options every time you are going to upload a new video. You can import videos from Vimeo and S3 as well. Just connect your account here. You'll be able to see your analytics as well on the dashboard and also on your video tab. You will be able to create reports and alerts, so you will receive reports about your video when some metric does not look right. To embed the video on your website is pretty simple. You can use, of course, the Gumlet direct page to embed your video, but you copy the embed code instead of using the URL to share your video. With that code, you just need to copy and paste on your share the video to your audience. Here is my online course. I'm gonna create a new lesson here. I'm gonna embed the Gumlet code here. Here's the embed code. As you can see here, the video will show easily on your online course, website, etc. Just embed the code. Remember that you need to author website, landing page, or online course on Gumlet. You go on collection and then just author the video. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna click on play and you will see how the hosting is fast. Pretty fast, it works automatically. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. We're gonna have more debates about Gumlet in the future. Thank you so much.